Take it away.
Thanks a lot. Hi. Thank you, Hannes, for the introduction. So I'm really happy to talk to you today about Nowy Connect. And Nowy Connect is the smartphone app that shows you who is nearby. It helps you connect with interesting nearby people. But the key message of my talk is that it's easy and cheap to be smart. So let's go through an example. We're here at Lyft. We saw a couple of great talks. We saw nice presentations, a nice debate, but we're also here to meet new people, to forge new professional relations. So let's say you're here to meet a company representative. Assume that I'm looking for a job and I think Swisscom is a really nice company to work for. So I'm wondering, who here works for Swisscom? Or let's say that I have a great idea for a mobile app, but I'm not an app developer. So who here is a mobile app developer? Now, if you're looking for these people, how do you find them? How do you know who they are? Do you go around staring at name tags? I mean, let's be honest, that's awkward. So to solve this problem, we built Nowy Connect. It's a smartphone app that helps you be a smarter networker. And the way it does this is by showing you the LinkedIn profiles of nearby people. The LinkedIn profiles of people who are right here, right now, at Lyft, at this moment. People you can go and actually have a physical conversation with. Now, we care deeply about your privacy, so we are not tracking your GPS location. Rather, we use Bluetooth Low Energy. However, there is a problem with Nowy Connect as I described it. Imagine that everyone here at Lyft use Nowy Connect, and you're one of them, and you're looking for a mobile application developer. Now, if Nowy Connect shows you 300 profiles of people who are here at Lyft, how do you find the mobile app developer? Will you search for keywords? Are you sure you know all the keywords that are necessary? Maybe you missed some of them. Or will you go looking through profiles? Let's be honest, you'll give up after reading 10, 20 of them. And what this means is that the app won't help you find and connect with interesting people who are here at Lyft. So we want to solve this problem, and our idea to solve this problem is to use artificial intelligence. What we're thinking of doing was, let's take all the LinkedIn information for people who are here at Lyft, feed it to an AI system, and then we'll let you query the AI system for interesting people. For example, to let you ask the artificial intelligence system, who here is a mobile app developer? So this kind of sounds what it should be like, right? Well, not so fast. Let's look at myself. I'm a software engineer. I know how to develop mobile apps. I have a PhD in automatically testing software, but I have no clue how to build an artificial intelligence system. I know what I want to do with it, but I don't know how to build it. And I'm not Facebook or Google to expend vast amounts of resources to build one. So it seems like I'm stuck, right? Well, this was the case until I heard Jérôme de Nomazy talk to me about IBM Watson. And I was amazed. So let me tell you why. What IBM Watson does is take great research and makes it developer friendly. So it's easy for me as a developer to connect. Now we connect to IBM Watson. IBM Watson gives me natural language processing, so it understands text formulated in normal sentences. It does machine learning, and most interestingly, it works on large amounts of unstructured data, such as LinkedIn profiles. And then I can access IBM Watson using APIs, have a programmatic access, and it's really cheap to use. So in my opinion, combining all of these 5 features together makes IBM Watson, to me at least, wow. So let me show you what we built using IBM Watson for Nowy Connect. So we shot a small video about it, and I'll walk you through it. So you can tell Nowy Connect who you'd like to meet, and you can use your voice for it. I'd like to meet mobile application developers. That's what you tell the app, and the app understands. And the cool thing about it is, next time when somebody around you knows about mobile application development, the app will tell you. In this case, it will tell you to meet me. because I'm a mobile app developer. Second, remember this is the problem I started with. You had to scroll through 300 profiles to find the mobile app developer you're searching for. While using IBM Watson, the scrolling just goes away because the interesting people are on top. You just open the app and the first thing you see are the people that you're interested in, people that you should meet. So no more scrolling, it's really great. Now I'd like to get just a little bit into details to explain you how I built the connection between Nowy Connect and IBM Watson. So let's say this is a casual user, let's call him Silviu, who installed Nowy Connect. Now when he signs in, he has to sign in with his LinkedIn information. At this point, Nowy Connect takes Silviu's public LinkedIn information and sends it over to IBM Watson. IBM Watson does its wonderful artificial intelligence trick on my public LinkedIn information, and figures out that Silviu knows about software development and about the iPhone. And it does the same thing for all Nowy Connect users. So it knows, for example, that Jack knows about event management and about public speaking. Now imagine there is another user, let's call her Mai, who installed the app, and wouldn't you know it, she wants to meet software developers. So she tells this to Nowy Connect. Nowy Connect sends this sentence back to IBM Watson. IBM Watson again analyzes it as it did for the LinkedIn profile and figures out that Mai is actually interested in software development. So IBM Watson takes a look at who are the people it knows about and which ones of them match software development. In this case, it's just Silviu. And it sends Silviu back to Mai, and Mai keeps this information on her phone. And when Silviu gets close to Mai, Mai's phone has a nice reaction. It tells her she should meet me, and the UI of the app is refreshed so as to put me on top of the list of people she should meet. So this is how Nowy Connect uses IBM Watson. And now, let's be pragmatic. There are two interesting questions that come from this. This is me. I'm a software engineer, I know how to develop mobile apps, and I know how to test them, but I don't know anything about building an artificial intelligence system. So, how long do you think it took me to develop this? I'm very happy to tell you it took me 1 weekend to build a prototype. 1 weekend going from knowing nothing about how IBM Watson works, what's its API, what data it expects, to having something where I could test my idea. 1 weekend. So it was really that easy to use. The second interesting question is, how much does it cost to use IBM Watson? And the answer is, again, it's really cheap. It costs less than 100 francs a month, end-to-end costs. And this includes running our backend servers on IBM Bluemix's cloud infrastructure and paying to query IBM Watson. So all in all, to provide artificial intelligence into Nowy Connect, it costs less than 100 francs a month. So indeed, it's really easy to use and cheap. So I'd like to close by telling you what's our goal, the bigger goal at Nowy. And the problem we see today is that people are so stuck to their smartphones that if an alien were to come by, nobody would notice the alien. They would still be looking at their smartphones, and the alien would just wander around alone. So what we want to do at Nowy is to help people be aware of the people that are around them, so that they can best take advantage of the opportunities that the people around us provide to us. Or, in my alien example, we want Nowy to notify you that there is an alien. So thank you so much. Please install Nowy Connect. It's free on the App Store. If you have installed it already, please update it. And you should try it because it provides artificial intelligence right here, right now, in the palm of your hand. And do come to our booth if you have feedback. We're always happy to hear from you. Thank you so much. Have a great lift.